What are y'all doing today?
Oh, sir. Just you step back away from me just a little bit for me.
Yeah.
Wait, just close. That's all.
Are you scared of me or something?
No, just we have a reactionary gap.
Oh, okay.
That's all. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm good. What are you doing? Just out looking for seatbelts?
Yes, sir.
That's your sole primary purpose today is revenue collection through seatbelt enforcement?
I am working seatbelt enforcement, sir.
Okay. So that's it, huh? Just seatbelts.
Yep. Did you get a picture of the sign?
Yeah, I did actually.
Nice
Coming
video.
up.
That'd be a great video for your set.
Yeah,
Video there.
it will. What's your name?
I'm Sergeant Jenks.
Sergeant Jenks?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your badge number?
I'm Sergeant Jenks, sir. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I was just wondering.
Okay.
Just wondering what you're up to out here. I saw you just standing on the side of the road.
Yep.
Just wondering what the big deal was. So this is what you signed up for then? You made it this far, Sergeant, and they stuck you with seatbelt enforcement? Is this what you signed up?
Those are your words, sir.
Oh, I was just wondering, you're a sergeant, you think you'd have better things to do, like solve violent crime or prevent crime. I mean, if people don't have their seatbelt on, who does that hurt? Where's the victim in that? It's just another way for you to cash in on people, it's preying upon people. I don't know, I wouldn't feel too good about stealing from people and calling it a law. Think about it. Not all laws are just. You don't have to enforce them all. You have discretion, right? All right, well, you have fun stealing from people. We'll help you feel good about that night when you go home.
Hope you have a great day.
All right, yeah, you too. Excuse me. What are you out here doing today?
We are doing clicking our ticket seatbelt enforcement.
Oh, okay. So just revenue generation then?
What's that?
Just trying to make some money for the sheriff's office, or working overtime, huh? So we're paying you overtime to come out here and steal from people? Everyone involved in here? Is this all 4 cops?
What's that?
So we're wasting all these resources on 4 police when you could be out doing real police work, like fighting violent crime or taking care of drug dealers, anything like that. This is how you spend your time.
That's what you think we should be doing?
Well, not pulling people over and stealing from them for not wearing a seatbelt. I mean, who does that hurt if they don't wear a seatbelt besides themselves?
Well, I suggest you write your legislature.
Yeah. Well, all laws.
This is how they deem that we are to spend this time right now.
All right.
So they don't be mad at us. We're just doing what we're told.
All right, just following orders. Now, where have I heard that before?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think you know.
Okay.
It's pretty sad, there's a lot of other things you guys could be doing,
Well, that's your
proactively.
opinion, sir.
No, that's
And
the
you're
truth.
entitled-
That's the reality of
You're
it.
entitled to your opinion.
I mean, not all laws are just. The Jim Crow laws weren't right, and we got those taken care of. But in the meantime, while they were being enforced,
Well, then I
what kind of
suggest
damage did that do to people,
I suggest you do something about that instead of
Well,
talking to us. Talk to somebody who can change it. We can't make that change. We're
right.
just out doing
Well,
what we're told.
I'm starting at the bottom of the hill. I'll work my way out.
Well, that's what I suggest.
good day stealing.